Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to see your Instagram username and password. So first thing, let's see our username. So that's actually pretty simple. All you have to do is click your profile on the bottom right corner and you can see it on the upper left. And now on to the password. Unfortunately, there isn't a way to directly see your password, but I'm going to show you how to log in if you don't remember it. So first thing, you need to go to settings and click security. After that, press save login info. So that's basically just going to make it whenever you try to log in, it isn't going to ask you for your credentials. So make sure that's turned on. And to reset your password, just go back to security and press reset and press password. And that's going to send in an email to you telling you how to reset your password. So that's basically it, guys, for the video. I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next one.